Hi guys, welcome back again. This is Stagro Farms. It's yet another episode on Stagro Farms React. Today we're going to be reacting to a video. This video is wonderful. This video is quite interesting. This video shows how you can actually germinate and grow bell peppers at the back of your farm or at the back of your house or your living space. So let's watch this video and see how this farmer does that. And this is quite interesting. Red peppers. Let's watch. Wow, I think this is the end result. Still at nursery. Well, that's fertilizer. Organic fertilizer. Well, what is this? This is water. You can see the end product. Nice. This is aloe vera. Okay, I think the man this to help in germination of the seed, fast germination of the seed. I think that's what aloe vera does. Aloe vera is a super agent. Wow. Red bell pepper. I think it's trying to harvest the seed for planting. Yeah. Wow, this is so nice. So he's going to place the individual seed on the aloe vera slice. Wow. Then cover with sand. Interesting. Wow. Can't wait to see how this turns out. Okay, can actually add water to put everything together. Yes. Wow. This is the container in which he will transplant. So what will happen now is that he will transplant the seedling, the nursery, into this container. Now he's opening up for water drainage. Nice. Quite interesting. Okay, let's see what he's going to do. Let's see the outcome at the end of the day. Okay, probably he wants to hang the stuff. Yeah. Okay, and this should be a mixture of compost and the soil and also cocoa peat. This will help in germination. That's sand, compost, and cocoa peat. Fill in the containers. Whoa. This is very interesting. Can't wait to see the outcome. Guys, if you've done this before, please put in the comment section. Tell us how you did it, how it came out. Were you able to get good results like this? Wow. Now it's time to transplant into the main container. What is it doing? That's a tissue paper. Okay, let's see how it goes. I think, okay. Wow. Okay, coming out nice. I think he wants to plant it horizontally so that the growth will actually take upwards. Yes. This is interesting. He does so all through the containers, and let's see how it comes out. Nice. One thing about this is that it's quite easy to do. You can actually carry out this same thing in your own living space within your backyard. Now he's filling up the container. Everything is getting ready. Oh, this is nice. then water. Apply water. Okay, then cover back the container. Wow, she's actually hanging them on a metal rod. They're gonna grow hanging. Wow, this is interesting. They're gonna grow from the top, not from the ground this time. After 45 days. Wow. They came out nice. They look healthy. They look very healthy. Let's see how. Wow. It is flowering already. You can see those flowers. They're already flowering. Wow. Wow. $50. This is banana. Wow. Okay. This should serve as a fertilizing agent. Banana contains lots of potassium, so and the bell pepper needs potassium. So this banana is going to supply the bell pepper with enough potassium. Think also calcium and magnesium required for the growth or healthy growth and yield of the bell pepper. Wow, that's where you feed the fertilizer from. On top of the containers, you feed the fertilizer. So this is a good one. Wow. They're actually growing very well. Can't wait to see how they are going to turn out. They're all flowering now. Okay, can see the bell peppers are coming out already. 60 days. Wow. But I think they're not mature yet. They still have some time to grow bigger. They're still at medium size. Wow. Guys, this is interesting. Put in the comment section if you've tried this before or if you're gonna try it. Why not put it in the comment section? Tell us how you feel about this idea. Growing bell peppers off the ground, man, in just a little container. That's vitamin B1. Wow. What is it gonna contribute? Guys, if you know the essence of this vitamin, what contribution will it bring? What improvement does it have to give the plant? We want to know. I don't know. So if you know the idea of addition of vitamin B, why not tell us in the comment section? I guess this should also improve the yield. Yeah. Oh, it came out so nice. Guys, see, the red pepper is ready. Red pepper is ready. Wow. Oh, they look very healthy. You can actually grow your own food just at your backyard. And you have food all year round. No need spending much in the groceries. You can see food everywhere. This is so nice. Wow. I think it's time to harvest. Oh, and this is so big. This is so big. Wow. Guys, this should cost not less than $2 here in Nigeria. I can assure you. Wow. It's a sweet harvest. New episode which we introduced Stagro Farms React. So we shall be bringing you something like this subsequently in the future. So please subscribe to our channel if you want to see more of these videos. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much.